Hey, our friends, today we're going to do another drawing to celebrate Mother's Day.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. We're going to write the word mom out of flowers. It's going to be awesome. And first we're using our pencil and then our marker. You ready to start?
Yes.
We're also using marker paper to draw on because we're using our markers to draw and color with. That helps keep our markers lasting long. Let's first draw or write the letter O. I know it's a little weird, but we're doing this so that mom is centered on the paper. And the O is the middle of the word. Yes. Okay, now we're going to write the letter M on the left side and also over here on the right side. The reason why we're using a pencil first is so that we can draw these guidelines. This is going to help us make the words or the letters out of flowers.
Yes.
If we didn't have these, it probably wouldn't turn into the word mom. It'd just be a
pile of flowers.
Yeah, a pile of flowers. Now let's switch to our marker and we're going to start, let's start with the letter O and we're going to just draw a flower right on top of the guideline. So I'm drawing the center of the flower first, and then I'm going to draw the petals. This is also a really fun lesson because you don't have to do it exactly like us. You can pause the video and take time to add the flowers wherever you want.
And you don't even have to write mom either.
Oh,
it could
yeah.
be something else.
Yeah, you could write somebody's name this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good point. I'm also going to, when I'm doing the flowers, I'm going to try to balance the flowers. So if I draw a flower that looks like this, on the other side of that letter, I'm going to try to draw that same flower to balance it out. There we go. Now I'm going to add those same flowers on the two other letters. That part we sped up, so remember at any time if we go too fast you can always pause the video. Now let's use a different flower. Let's try to add a poppy and we're going to draw the stem coming out first. So I'm going to draw it coming out of this flower, and then with a poppy we just have a little center and then we're going to try to draw little hearts around it. So we'll draw a heart going this way. Oh, it's really small. We could also, next time we could turn our paper sideways and write mom a little bit bigger. Then we could draw the flowers a little bigger too.
Yeah.
So there we go. It also kind of looks like a 4-leaf clover. Let's add a few more poppies. So we'll draw a center and then I'm going to draw the hearts going around. If we color it red, it'll look more like a poppy.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and add a bunch of these little flowers everywhere. I didn't add the stem on the other ones. We just kind of added it on this one. That's okay. Maybe instead of adding stems, we'll add leaves at the very end. Okay, now let's add a different flower. Let's do a tulip. I'm going to draw the letter U, and then we'll draw a line crossing, and then another line crossing the other way. And then we can draw a little upside down V in the center. Now let's go ahead and add a bunch of those all over the word mom. Now one thing I noticed on the letter M is this part in the middle is really shallow. So I'm going to try to draw and make it look like it comes down further. That way it'll be more obvious that this is the letter M when we cover it with leaves. Then also right here at the point, I think we should add a flower for that point. And I'm just going to draw a squiggly line around. I'm going to add a couple more squiggly flowers around all of the letters. We did it. All right, now let's switch and we're going to add leaves. And this is going to complete each of the letters. So we'll start here. We'll just draw little leaf shapes going up, and we want to follow the pencil line. So we also add little leaves coming out of the side of the flowers too. But for the most part, we want to complete the letters. So fill in all of the space in between the flowers. And if you follow the pencil line, this really should make the letter look like an M. All right, we've finished completing all of the letters. All right, the next thing we're going to do is use our eraser to erase the guidelines or the pencil lines that you can still see going through all of the flowers. Check, now we're ready to color our drawings. We're going to fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and take time to color yours. Jack, give me 5. We did it. We finished drawing and coloring the word mom made out of flowers.
Yeah, it turned out really cool. Mom's gonna love it.
Yes, and we could even use this as a homemade card. We could first fold our paper in half and then write the word mom on the front or the inside of the card.
Yeah. We hope you have fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.
Hey parents and teachers, it's Rob from Art for Kids Hub. We've put together our very first book filled with drawing lessons for you and your family. From cute pets to mythical creatures, it's got everything to spark your creativity. And the coolest part, you can pre-order today. I also want to give a huge shout out to our amazing publisher, DK Books. Thank you, DK Books, for making this dream a reality. We can't wait to see the amazing art you'll create with the help of our book. So click the link in the description below and pre-order your copy today. Your support means the world to us. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and practice.